Talk to me. Hey girl, hey, welcome or welcome back to my channel. I am Lachelle Trends, and sis, in today's video I'm coming to you with a wig review slash install on this unit you see me wearing. This unit is from Amazon from the company Unice. I will have them and the unit linked in the description box below. If you enjoy this video, don't forget to give me a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. On my channel I do fashion videos, hair videos, as well as lifestyle vlogs, so don't forget to hit that notification bell so you can be notified of each video I post. So let's jump into it. Okay, so again, this unit is from Unice. They got a new little box with the white lettering. Cute. Okay, anyway, so inside of the box we have our standard wig cap, which y'all already know we do not use because I am a wig behind the hairline type of chick nowadays. And then it as well comes with an edge band. Can y'all see? Because the glare. An edge band. The unit we have today, girl, is the 7x5 Bye Knots lace wig. It is 12 inches. I believe it's a side part unit that is colored. Ooh, okay, so here is the Bye Knots, and if you're not familiar with Unice's Bye Knots, it's just some tape in case you do wear the unit as is, and it just covers the knots. To me, Unice always has like pre-bleached knots or whatever, so you don't really need to utilize it. But if you are that type of girl, then there it is for you. Anyways, so this is the unit. It is a T-part unit, as you can see, and like I said, it is a side part unit. Let's take this off so you can get into, oh y'all, it's not a T-part, it just comes with that part. Oh, okay. So normally when it comes with that part, it's a T-part unit, but it's not a T-part unit. Look. Okay, girl, it gives us options. So this is giving maybe, I'm about to say maybe and make up a dimension. It says 7x5. So it is a 7x5 lace unit. It has a band that is not detachable, so you do have to have it stay in here, but it is adjustable. It does have an adjustable strap right there to adjust it to your head. It as well has grip alongside of the bottom of the unit just to make it more secure, and then as well more security clip at the bottom so you can, like, you know. Oh, okay, because I was about to say, hold on, it didn't come with the drawstring, but it does, to add more security, which I'm going to tighten that up right now. To add more security, just to tighten that up. So extra secure. Oh, y'all, this is cute. Pre-bleach, pre-plucked, pre-everything. The knots are not bad at all. And then especially on a unit like this that already comes pre-colored, I don't recommend bleaching the knots any more than what it already is, because it's really not going to do anything. Just my my, what you call it, my y'all, hold on, it is my, from my experience, y'all, I could not think of it, but yeah, based on my experience of bleaching their units, on colored units, it really does not take, so I just wouldn't do it. But to each his own. Again, the hair, very cute. It's wet and wavy curly hair. Love that, y'all. This is gonna be really pretty. I don't know if I'm gonna wet her or if I'm just gonna long curl her. I don't know. Anyways, so because we do wear behind the hairline, I'm gonna go ahead and spray her. I'm gonna try her as a side part. Here is my root spray. It is the Tresemme root spray from Walmart, y'all. Okay, so y'all already know how I spray her, but this time when I spray her, I'm as well going to spray the roots, because y'all know I wear it, you know, have my hair out, so we're gonna have to blend some black, because what? Oh shoot. And then I'm just gonna brush it into the hair, because y'all, we have to have dark roots, because I got to wear my hair out. Okay, y'all, this is what she's giving. It look a little whatever, but it's gonna blend. It's gonna blend. Okay, sis, let's go ahead and put her on. Hair is already prepared. Let's just bring this out. Whatever. I probably should have blow dried my edges and straightened them out, but girl, that's neither here nor there. So let's go ahead and just put her on. Okay, y'all, it look crazy now. But we're gonna go ahead and style her, and then we'll get everything blended and all situated. For right now, I think I'm going to wand curl her. So let me see how, well, let me wand curl the front, and then we'll see how that looks, and then go from there. Okay, we're almost done. It's I didn't put on like a little top. Anyway, so I'm gonna go in with my concealer. This is the e.l.f. concealer in the shade Deep Chestnut, and this is just to create our part, because y'all, I butchered my part. You can't even see part where I didn't colored it black with all of the spray. So I believe that's it right there. I believe that's it right there. And we're just gonna kind of come in like so. And come in with some more color. Okay. Okay, now I'm gonna go in with my contour palette and seal that in with some powder. Y'all, I was gonna, what was I gonna do? I was going to do some baby hairs, but I decided not to, just for the simple fact that, I don't know, I kind of like the natural look. Okay. Okay, hold on. Okay, and this is what she's giving. This is this is what she's giving. I think it is so cute, very fun, very playful, very summery. The color, again, I did have to butcher it so I can put my hair out, because I'm not wearing lace. I'm not wearing lace anymore. Okay, I will go to a sew-in before I go to lace. And especially in the summertime, it's too hot. It's too hot for lace, like, sis. But again, to each his own. If you do wear the lace, it already comes pre-bleached, pre-plucked, pre-cut, and whatnot. But yeah, get into the material. I will better do my parts once I get off camera, because the lights are bright. I don't know if I can really see, but for the most part, we there. Hold on, let me do like this. We there, like, ooh, let me do that right there. We're there. I love the color. Let me turn around so you can see the back. It's cute, y'all. Like, it's giving beach hair. It's giving beach vibes. If you want to wet it, go ahead and wet it. It is on the thinner side. I want to say this is maybe 150% density. It's not that thick. I think you get more volume if you do a wand curl. I'm sure it's going to be pretty if you flat iron it and do like some curls. Girl, I can't wait, because I'm gonna have fun with this unit, and I'm gonna do it all. I'll probably straighten it next, or just like put some curls in it. But it's cute. It's cute. Per usual, I will have it linked in the description box below, y'all. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, girl. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye.